Hello, everyone. This is Dan Veru from Palisade Capital Management. And I'd like to spend a little bit of time today talking to you about the recent market volatility and weakness that we've all seen for stocks. Markets are becoming concerned that policy uncertainty, namely on trade and tariffs, a potential budget showdown on the expiring Trump tax cuts from 2017, a government shutdown, and Doge will result in slowing growth in our economy or even possibly a recession. These are all questions that we believe will be answered over the coming months, but markets hate uncertainty in the short run. With regards to a recession, we see no signs of a recession despite the shift in sentiment. As a matter of fact, companies that we're talking to have all said that business remains resilient and economic conditions remain sound. On trade, the administration is starting with a hammer on trade, but will likely shift to more of a scalpel approach as negotiations take place. Discussions are very fluid, and we're tracking the impact on the various sectors of the economy and certainly on the individual stocks that we hold. Doge has become a controversial cost-cutting effort that's become highly politicized. There are conflicting stories on its true impact and efficacy, but we want to reserve judgment to see what the impact is on spending and on the economy, and only time will tell there. If Congress does not act on tax policy, the country will experience the biggest tax increase in our history, which is not helpful for either party. We see this as a very low likelihood of happening, and policymakers will be getting together shortly to discuss the potential for a deal. Lastly, and according to our Washington sources, we do not think that a shutdown of the government is likely at all. As a matter of fact, we would anticipate that the House is going to pass a continuing resolution very shortly that will be sent up to the Senate. Look, in summary, through all of 2024, pullbacks in the market were pretty shallow and brief, and market strategists had continuously complained that stocks were expensive. Well, now many sectors of the market and individual companies are much more attractively valued, and the list of attractive stocks is increasing rather markedly. We continue to believe that quality, profitable companies that have moderate growth characteristics will perform well as many of these uncertainties recede. We'll have a lot more to talk to you about in the coming weeks. Thank you for your time today.